My name is Íñigo. I am an illustrator. I'm from a small town in the north of Spain called Burgos. I live and I work in this apartment studio in Tokyo. Home for me is like this safe space where I can do my ritual, do my coffee, go through all of my second-hand books, all of my old artist books, get inspiration and create this kind of atmosphere for myself, this kind of world of my own where I can get inspiration, where I can get into the mood and really create and work. One of the things I find inspiring in IKEA design is it's kind of timeless. For example, it gives me the freedom to kind of refurnish or create a space from zero. That really resonates with me and my style and my work. Okay, so particularly with this project that we've been doing with IKEA, the message I was trying to communicate is you can try to live a sustainable lifestyle without sacrificing your love for art or culture or design. So I was trying to build a small space that could be at the same time the place you're living in, the studio you're working in, and also the place you're having your friends coming over. I always try to buy secondhand, all of my books are secondhand, the furniture as well. I also think it's very interesting to give a second life to the things you already have. And I think it's a very good idea to paint, repaint, refurnish. And of course, when you don't need those things anymore, just give it back to the market or to someone who is still finding it useful. Conscious living for me means trying to pay attention to and being aware of our own footstep, whatever we do, doing your laundry, cooking, or buying, or getting all these packagings in our groceries. Being conscious of the impact of it. I would invite and I would recommend for everyone to have a little bit creative activity at your home and at your place, which I think is very important for mental health and also for having fun at your own place. And also to love the place you're living in. It could be cooking, it could be writing, it could be singing in the shower. That's the message also I wanted to share. Try to be a little bit of an artist in your own place.